Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm giving y'all some cleaning motivation. I'm getting ready to clean my whole house. It's not really messy, but you know, it just needs to be just straightened up a little bit. So that's what we're going to do. Excuse my open trash can. I was getting ready to take the trash out, but I never closed it. And my cabinets are open. I don't know, but we're going to get this kitchen right. We're going to get the house right. So if you are in need of some cleaning motivation, keep on watching. All right, y'all, so before we start, I wanted to share with y'all this essential oil that I'm using in my oil diffuser. Oh my gosh, so it's from Aromatech, that's the company's name, and I'm using the scent Santal. So one of my YouTube besties put me on. First, I was using the Love Affair, which also smells so good, but Santal is just where it's at, y'all. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It is pretty pricey, but you know, sometimes you just gotta treat yourself and get it. Oh my gosh, it just smells so good. You only need like a few drops, and only a few drops because it's so expensive. You only want to use a few drops, but you only need a few drops, and it just got the whole house smelling so good. I will leave a link in the description box just in case anyone is interested. Definitely pick it up if you can. Yo, I'm really not playing. This oil has my entire second floor smelling amazing. But after breakfast, I'm going to just put some dishes in the dishwasher. I always work harder than I should with this, but I like to pre-wash my dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. I know that makes no sense, but at this point, it's just a habit that I just don't see myself breaking.
But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like money. When I swim down to the deep end, wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fun.
Cleaning the sink after washing the dishes is a must to get rid of any leftover foods or stains that may have been left behind. But most importantly, I think it's so satisfying to clean and have that stainless steel shining after a good wipe down. Also, make sure to get the faucet and the little brush holder if you have one as well.
Coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to your clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gonna have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind.
For my countertops, I'm using some multi-surface cleaner in the scent Apple Cider. I know it's not fall yet, and trust me, I am not rushing for summer to be over, but I do enjoy the different scents, and since fall is not far away, I decided to use this fall inspired scent. After I cook, I make it a must to thoroughly wipe down my stove just to get rid of any foods and grease stains that may have been left behind. Wiping your stove down regularly really makes it easier for you when it's time for those deeper cleans.
That passed us by, all of those tears we both had cried. I really miss to seeing you smile. I blame myself, although Although I tried, even if I love you, this fight is yours no matter.
While you're wiping down your countertops, also be mindful to wipe down all of those appliances that are sitting on top of your counters.
Keep you warm, although I'm gone. One last glimpse of you before I'm closing the door. Seconds away from breaking, I'm losing this war. Letting you go. I'm waving my white flag. 'Cause soon we'll be gone. Oh, spirit, sing, choose wisely, dear. You still got time. Yeah, we're the lucky ones.
To clean my microwave, I'm using this heavy duty degreaser. It really does a great job with all the stuck on stains, and I don't have to really like scrub hard for all the stains to lift. Once you spray it and leave it on maybe for a few seconds, it does a great job with like lifting all the stains.
We still got time. Living every day like it's the very last. We walked through darkness, walked in the sun. We shared our sorrows, we share the love. As we get older, maybe we change. I had my reasons, I couldn't stay. Hope you're okay now. Even if I love you, always a fight no matter what I do. I wait for the morning light to shine through to keep you warm, although I'm gone. One last glimpse of you before I'm closing that door.
Growing up learning how to clean the kitchen, we were taught that wiping down the countertops, trash cans, and appliances were all a part of washing the dishes. And that floor had better been swept. Me and my siblings each had like a week to do the dishes, which actually wasn't too bad because it was 6 of us. So that's why I kind of like have a habit of like thoroughly cleaning the kitchen when I do clean the kitchen. And I have this picture sitting on this stool because I've been going back and forth with the decision to have my husband hang it. I'm just not sure yet. So let me know what you guys think. Should I hang it or should I just like place it somewhere else? Originally it was in the living room, but I've been moving and getting rid of so much stuff in my home. I've just been so over everything. Y'all ever feel like that? Like you wake up, look around and be like, I'm so thankful for all of this, but I'm just so over it. So my plan is to invest in more like forever type of furniture, like more quality pieces, not just something necessarily to fill a space.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
My living room is always super easy to clean. I really just give it a quick dust and vacuum. We recently got our carpet clean and it just makes a world of difference in our home.
And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us go tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down. 'Cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing,
My entryway, honestly, for me is the most forgotten about when it comes to dusting. Even though I walk through it every day, I really do just neglect it. So I'll just be giving it a really good dusting using some glass and wood cleaner.
Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let it start tonight.
I made sure that all of my bathrooms were thoroughly clean. Cleaning the bathrooms are not my favorite, but between the bathroom and the kitchen, in my opinion, those two are the most must-have clean areas in your home.
Hey, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn. Shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say, hey, Paco for Bago, I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel alive.
In all of my bedrooms, I made sure that the beds were made and everything was wiped down. Then I'll just vacuum. Callie is responsible for cleaning her room daily, and she usually makes her bed the best she can. But on days when I'm doing my cleanings, I will make sure everything is in place.
Casino en América, quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino limón, no sé. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental, y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el final, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es espectacular. Show me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes.
Cleaning my office is also a pretty easy task. I'll just be dusting, decluttering the desk, and then I'll do a quick vacuum.
Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah. Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo, ma.
Best friends, thank you all for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed spending some time with me today, but most importantly, I hope that you were able to find some cleaning motivation. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new and you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.